What's up, everybody? Zach here with another Home Depot Siege program review. And today we're going to go over some cabinet hinges. They are made by Liberty and they open to 160 degrees. So they almost open parallel to how they're mounted, so 20 degrees short. They are mortised into the door frame. 35 millimeter holes, what you need. If you don't want to look up metric, I think I used 1 3/8 bit to mount them. So to give you a little view, here they are. They're pretty, really substantial hinge. They open and close really easy. There's an adjustment, two adjustments. You just there's a screw adjustment for this way and this way, lateral, and I think it's horizontal movement. There's some adjustment. What I had to do here, this is where you mortise in the front part of the hinge. Just drill, like I said, 35 millimeter inch 3/8 circle. About down, if you're using a hole saw, it's about to the first opening in the hole saw, or if you're using a Forstner bit, it's basically flush with the top of the bit. They do recommend these for 3/4 inch material. My doors that I made for my miter saw station are a little bit thinner than that, but they did work. And I can't get the full open to show you because it's hitting my dust collection hose and hits this cabinet. But this would be good if you had like you need the door to open more than 90. So to give you an example, what I did over here, I just put the hinge that opens 90. So you can see how much more that opens. This would be fine for me on both sides, but since I wanted to demo these hinges, I put them on. They say like if you had a corner cabinet, you might want this hinge because it opens so far past 90. But I do like it. You know, it does pull it closed. It's not soft close. It will pull it and it will hold it shut. So I'm pretty happy with it. It wasn't that hard to install. Bring this a little closer so you can see the difference. So here are the hinge itself. There's what's left of my, actually it's probably not a good representation or something. Here, let's show you a drill close to it. So my newer DeWalt drill, you can see how big that hinge is. It's pretty significant. Well made. I didn't check the retail price on it because I didn't have a chance, but I think they're probably going to be in $20 to $30 range versus these hinges that I got, two of them for $7, and they are just flush mount. You really don't need much to install these, and they work about the same. Don't close with as much force, but that's a 90-degree hinge versus this one that goes way past 90. If you're looking for it, it's a good hinge, easy to install. Instructions weren't the best. I thought they definitely could get better with the instructions. Overall, though, I think it's a good hinge.